guys, welcome to our Excel GIS Assistant YouTube channel. As the second tutorials of ArcGIS Pro, today I am going to demonstrate you about creating new feature classes and adding features to the working geodatabase. Here I have chosen a georeferenced Google image as the base. For creating this project file and adding base map, you can watch my first video for ArcGIS Pro. I will show you how to create a new dataset inside the file geodatabase to store feature class. This is the file geodatabase for this project file. You can right click on this geodatabase, then go to new, click on feature dataset. Here should be entered. Can be defined by this. Click on run. Now a dataset has been created. Then I will show you how to create a transport layer as a line feature class. Right click on dataset, then click on new feature class. You can add the name for the feature class. This is a line feature class, therefore the type should be line. Then click on next. For entering the attributes, a field named by type can be added. Click on this and type as type. Data type should be text. You can add any number of fields as you required for entering the attributes. Then click on finish. Created feature class is automatically added to the content pane. To create new features, click on this transport layer, then go to edit toolbar, then click on create feature. After clicking this transport, you can digitize this transport as line features. After zoom into a suitable scale, you can digitize on this wave map. If you want to snap the next feature into the existing feature, you can on snapping option. Otherwise, if you add feature, there is no snapping to existing feature and it may occur overshoot and undershoot of this layer. Switch on snapping, click on this arrow and on snapping. Then you can on point snapping, end snapping and also vertex snapping. You can digitize on transport layer again. See, the transport layer is snapped to the existing feature. Then you can create new feature with beginning the existing feature. After editing, you can save the edit. Then I will show you how to create a built-in polygon as a polygon feature class. To do that, go to view and take a catalog pane. In this working dataset, you can create a new feature class. Right click on the dataset, then new, go to feature class. The name and this is a polygon feature class. Then you can add field for entering attributes from here, then click on finish. Here also you can digitize these buildings by click on building, then go to edit, click on create feature. Here you can select the building layer and you can select the polygon, rectangle or polygon to create these features. By following this procedure, you can digitize all the building in this image. Then you can click on Edit Save button. Show you how to create a tree feature class as a point feature class. To do that, go to then right click on dataset, then click on new feature class. The feature name is tree and it is a point feature class. You can add fields for entering attributes. I am going to add the type of the tree as a text, then click on finish. After creating this feature class, you can add features to this feature class also. Click on feature class, then go to edit, create feature. Here I am going to add some coconut trees. After adding these features, the attribute can be changed as coconut trees. I have selected all the trees, attribute field, then click on the tree layer and the type is enter as coconut. Then click on Save Edit. If you want to add another type of trees, you can add and take a point, then go to Attribute, then type the attribute, check, then click on Save Edit. After digitizing all the feature classes, you may be able to get a very detailed representation of that area like this. After adding symbols, you will be able to create a map else like this. Hope you all enjoy our ArcGIS Pro videos. See you again with a symbolization tutorial as both 2D and 3D symbols. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe us.